How to change Facebook Messenger background theme. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change Facebook Messenger background theme. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the app, make sure to log into your account. Now, the first thing you want to do on the home screen is to select a conversation where you want to change the Facebook Messenger background theme. As you can see, the background is quite normal and this can be boring. So if you want to make your conversation interesting or add some colors, then the first thing you want to do is tap on the username at the top of your screen. This menu is going to open up. Here, you want to tap on the option of theme. From here, you can preview and select the theme. As you can see, there are different themes to choose from. Select any one, and here, as you can see, a preview has appeared. This is how it's going to look like. If you are satisfied with this, tap on the option of select. If not, tap on cancel, and then from this list, select any one you would like. Once you have found the theme that you want to use, tap on the select option. As soon as you do that, the theme has been changed and this will automatically change for anyone who is in this conversation as well. If you want to change it again, you can tap on the change option given over here. From here, you can preview another theme. Now scroll all the way down below and here you have colors and gradients option as well. Select any one to preview and this is how your chat bubbles are going to look like. If you find any one that you like, tap on the select option and that's going to change the chat bubble as you can see. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.